Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this platform truck cart from the manufacturer, Kedsum, to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, put it to use, see how it works. Comes with a set of instructions, front and back. Okay, the platform cart, the box, and a strap. Okay, came with the wheels, casters, pack of nuts, and a wrench, and a tie down strap. So let's put the wheels on first. Okay, you have 4 swivel wheels that will swivel 360 degrees and 2 rigid wheels. Okay, the 2 rigid wheels will go here on these 2 corners, and the 4 swivels will go on each of these 4 corners here. Okay, so let's put the rigid wheels on first. You already have 4 screws inserted here, so you just need to simply lay that on top, then use these nuts to tighten each of the 4 screws. So we'll get them hand started first. Okay, now that we have all the wheels on, you can see these swivel 360 degrees on the very end and the middle section, and then these 2 are stationary or more just rigid to roll. So let's flip it up on its top end. Okay, closer look at that brake. When this is on the floor, you just press this end with your foot. I'll press it in with my hand, and that'll lock the wheel in, keep it from rolling. Okay, this handle will raise up and lock into place here on the 2 ends, just automatically there. With it pushed in, it's 22.05 inches, and it will expand to 31.5 inches. It's 16.14 inches wide, and the handle is 25.59 inches tall. This handle will also extend up by pressing this center button here on the handle. And overall, it'll extend up to a height of 37.01 inches. Aluminum alloy handles that are padded here. You have anti-collision corners. This will hold a weight capacity of 360 pounds, so it's quite a bit of weight. So this platform truck will be perfect for your garage, your warehouse, office, or just moving boxes, various items, again, up to 360 pounds. Okay, to release the handle, to set it down, you just place your foot on this bar here, press down, and they're spring loaded, as you can see here, and that'll release it from the hooks on the bottom. So it's very lightweight, only weighs like 13.8 pounds, so easy to tuck away for storage and carry. So again, you got a tie down strap also that can be used to tie down boxes or whatever you're carrying long distances to prevent those from falling off the cart. Easy to carry and tuck away for storage. So you can get an idea of how freely it rolls, 360 degrees. If you want to lock the wheels in or brakes, just press that in. It'll prevent it from rolling. Release the brakes. Just raise up those. This handle can be adjusted to 3 different heights: lowest, middle, and the highest. Likewise, this can be extended. Okay, let's put it to use. Here's a couple of planters that I've loaded. Got half loaded with gravel and the other half with potting soil that you can see weigh quite a bit. But you can carry these. We'll put them on each corner of the porch. Before lifting these off, I'm going to lock the wheels, apply the brakes. So it's great for moving totes in and out of your garage or your attic storage area. Then to secure load, you can use this strap that was provided. Carry your load. Great for carrying luggage. You can use it with or without the strap, depending on the weight and how many pieces of luggage that you have. Overall, I'm very impressed with this platform truck carrier. The fact that it'll extend as needed. You have locking brakes to lock your wheels, and these wheels will rotate 360 degrees to make it easy for turning. You have adjustable handle, 3 different positions, anti-bump guards here, and it'll hold 360 pounds. So I highly recommend this platform truck carrier.